So when you're writing an ad to generate HVAC leads, you have to really think about what is it the customer is actually trying to get. And then along with the features of your offer, you talk about those benefits. So the benefit of a tune-up is to help prevent expensive breakdowns, or to help prevent your system from breaking down at a really inconvenient time, like the middle of summer when nobody's available to replace it. When you talk about these benefits, you're talking about what the customer is already thinking. You're joining the conversation they're already having in their own mind. So in your ads, rather than only focusing on the features of what you do, also think about the direct benefits of those features. Follow for more tips on running your HVAC meta ads.